Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuhu. How are you, students? Students, take out your English reading book. Open page number 19 and 20. First we recite Dua Rabbi Zidni Ilma. Oh my Lord, increase my knowledge. Today we are introducing the sound of O and P. The sound of O and P. Look and say. Look and say. Which sound is this? O. Which sound is this? O. The name of letter is O. The sound of O is O. The name of letter is O. The sound of O is O. O. Orange. O. Orange. O. Olives. O. Olives. O. Owl. O. Owl. O. Octopus. O. Octopus. O. Ox. O. Ox. O. Ostrich. O. Ostrich. Students, read with me. O. Orange. O. Orange. O. Olives. O. Olives. O. Owl. O. Owl. O. Octopus. O. Octopus. O. Ox. O. Ox. O. Ostrich. O. Ostrich. How many legs does an octopus have? How many legs does an octopus have? 8 or 6? Look here. This is octopus. How many legs does an octopus have? Let's start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 legs. Octopus has 8 legs. So we will take 8 option. Okay. Practice writing O. The sound of O is O. Practice writing O. The sound of O is O. Now we will trace it. O is round and round. O. O is round and round. O. O. The sound of O is O. O is round and round. O. O is round and round. O. O. The sound of O is O. Which sound is this? P. Which sound is this? P. The name of letter is P. The sound of P is P. P. Peaches. P. Peaches. P. Parrot. P. Parrot. P. Panda. P. Panda. P. Paint. P. Paint. P. Pineapple. P. Pineapple. P. Pigeon. P. Pigeon. Students, you also read with me. P. Peaches. P. Peaches. P. Parrot. P. Parrot. P. Panda. P. Panda. P. Paint. P. Paint. P. Pineapple. P. Pineapple. P. Pigeon. P. Pigeon. What does a panda eat? What does a panda eat? Leaves and stem or meat? Leaves and stem or meat? Look here. What does a panda eat? What does a panda eat? Leaves and stem. Panda eats leaves and stem. Okay, beta? So we will take A option. Leaves and stem. Okay, beta? Practice writing P. The sound of P is P. Practice writing P. The sound of P is P. One standing line. One curve. P. One standing line. One curve. P. P. The sound of P is P. P is come down and down. Go up. Make curve. P. P is come down and down. Go up. Make curve. P. Okay, beta. P. The sound of P is P. Students, you read these pages. The sound of O and the sound of P. Okay? Take care. Allah Hafiz.